Welcome to Unsatisfying Art YouTube channel. Today we are present with a new art. Let's start. Things you need: orange color, white color, green color, paper, cut paper like this, Fevicol, glue the paper like this, orange, white, green, जैसा वीडियो में दिखाया गया है इस तरह से बनाएं। इसे सूखने दें। आर्ट तैयार है। If you like this video, like the video, share, comments and subscribe the channel as well as press the bell icon so that the next video notification can reach you.